I had three goals. One was obviously some extra financial security for my wife and I. But followed closely was I have 5 key people, 2 of which are successors, and we were able to take care of them. And the nice thing for Leavitt is those 2 successors are in their 40s, so they have their owners for 20 plus more years. So that they like that part as well as I did. And then the third thing was being able to maintain our carriers to where it didn't affect my staff and it didn't affect our clients.
Obviously, you make a decision like this, biggest, other than starting a business up, the next biggest decision was, okay, perpetuating the agency. So this was an opportunity.
Perpetuation. We looked at it, and we had three or four guys that really wanted to get in there and to get equity and ownership, and they just did not have the means at that time to do it. They just didn't. I mean, and so Leavitt is going to provide them that opportunity to get equity that they're on their own. They just couldn't do it. You know, you can't walk in a bank and say, you know, I want to buy this many shares of XYZ and think the banker's going to jump out of his desk to try to give you some money. And they put these guys at ease. You know, they've been around 20, 25 years. And then my young guys, those guys that are 25, 30 years old, they say, man, if I can just hang around, there is a path. There's a path there. You know, we're not giving it to you. You know, you're gonna have to earn it. But if you do the work, you know, there's a path there for you to have equity and for you to have ownership.